So depending on what the customer needs, so these products will be brought to something called as a staging area. So it's somewhere in this warehouse where, say, there's some place here where you can do all the packing and further processing. So you get all these goods here, and the next step is to get these goods ready for packing. So what is packing? Packing is just putting those desktops, laptops, whatnot, whatever these products are, into the proper packaging format requested by the customer, weighing them on your FedEx machine or UPS machine, whatever, and keeping the box ready for the truck to come in. So that is packing. After that, the truck comes in, right? And the packed goods are loaded. You can call loading as a separate step also, but we really don't want to go there. And the truck leaves. That means these goods that you have picked, packed, and loaded are really no longer yours. So they need to be accounted for in your inventory. This is your inventory, right? Whatever is in this warehouse is your inventory, the company's inventory, HP's inventory. All the inventory over here needs to be accounted for. Meaning, what's your inventory? Desktop. Okay. What's the total as of before the packing? Say it's quantities, let's say 2050. Now, as part of this delivery, 500 has been reduced. So now it's 1550. So this process of reducing the inventory and making sure that the accounts are up to date is called post goods issue. I would rather want you to look at it this way. Post goods issue, post the issue of goods. Post it where? Into accounts. Issue of goods. What happened here? The goods have been issued, right? So these are the three main steps that happen in a delivery. Okay, once again, pre-sales, sales, and anything after sales is logistics. So logistics is where, depending on the availability of the goods, you create the delivery, and delivery has three pieces to it, or three sections to a delivery. The first one is picking, second is packing. Now this is optional. Sometimes you can, sometimes you don't need to do. For some materials, packing is not required. For some materials, packing is required. But picking is typically a process that's followed for all physical deliverables, meaning physical goods, all tangible goods. And the last step is PGI, which is posting the issue of goods, or post goods issue. And you have to understand what really happens here. It's just that the corresponding accounts are updated and the inventory updated. Alright, so that's the delivery. In the next chapter, we are going to actually create a delivery for the order that we have created previously and do the picking, and we're not going to do the packing yet, and we're just going to do the PGI and technically close that delivery.